9 big mistakes why your affirmations don't work and how to fix them. इस वीडियो में समझेंगे कि आप affirmations तो करते हो, maybe you must have seen some programs or been a part of some programs, but still you haven't got the results. Why is that? Let's understand this. See, you have tried affirmations, you have said them every morning, you have visualized, but your life hasn't changed. Not really, right? Well, you're not manifesting what you want. What is the reason? क्या रीजन से क्यों आपके रिजल्ट्स नहीं आ रहे हैं? ये 9 मिस्टेक्स आप अवॉइड करिए और देखिए आपके एफर्मेशंस आपके लिए 100% काम करेंगे. सो लेट्स बिगिन. सी, ये मिस्टेक अगर आप करेंगे, दैट मिस्टेक्स ब्लॉक योर सक्सेस, दे डिले देयर अबंडेंस एंड मोर इंपॉर्टेंटली दे कंफ्यूज योर सबकॉन्शियस माइंड. This is actually reverse teaching your subconscious, and that's where let's understand कि ये mistakes क्या कर रहे हैं. तो पहले समझते हैं what is an affirmation. Most people do not actually understand कि क्या मतलब है affirmation का. Textbook definition क्या बोलता है? An affirmation is a statement that declares your goal as if it's already achieved. It's not a fantasy. It's about reprogramming your subconscious mind to believe, to act, and to attract accordingly whatever you want to achieve in your life. But hold on, अगर आपने कुछ मिस्टेक कर ली, if you do some wrong thing, maybe in your framing of your affirmations, reverse manifestation starts to happen. ऐसा कभी हुआ है लाइफ में where you didn't wanted some things in life, but the same things happened? Why is that? You said ये तो चीज कभी नहीं होनी चाहिए लाइफ में और वही होती है. क्यों ऐसा होता है? Perhaps आपने वो गलतियां की है in your affirmations. So let's understand what are these 9 mistakes. Mistake number 1, not using I am. You see, the classic way to have your affirmation in the right framework is starting करिए I am से. I am, I am, I am. So I am dash जो भी है, but it has to start with I am. Because when you say I am, it is not like I wish, no. I am are perhaps the 2 most powerful words which can make your affirmations work for you. I'll give an example कि कहाँ पे आप mistake करेंगे. Some people do this like success will come to me. Wrong. I am successful. That's the right way to start your affirmations. I am will ensure automatically कि आपके affirmations present tense में है. आपके affirmations have not to be in the past tense and not be in the future tense. It has to be in the present tense. इसीलिए first rule is always start your affirmations with I am. ये mistake कभी ना करिए. Always use the words I am. Mistake number 2 is actually connected to mistake number 1. अगर आपने I am से start नहीं किया तो आप definitely आपके affirmations को future tense में लिखेंगे. And after checking thousands of affirmations from all my mentees, I've realized one thing, that most of the mistakes are happening because affirmations are made like I will in future. For example, I will be rich. That will keep your abundance in the future. आपका subconscious mind हमेशा सोचेगा कि I'm not rich right now. मैं बाद में rich होने वाला हूँ. And that's not going to work for you. It's always going to be in future, 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 future. So always start your affirmations with I am and keep it in the present tense. Because your subconscious does not understand what is there in the past, what is there in the future. It always lives in the present. Your subconscious always thinks in the present. So always start to keep your affirmations in the present tense. Because when you are doing it in future tense, your subconscious mind thinks, oh, it's not now. Oh, it's not real. And that's not going to get you the results. For example, what's a wrong affirmation? I will have financial freedom. गलत affirmation है. Start by saying, I am financially free. That's the right affirmation. Wrong. I will find clarity soon. Wrong affirmation. Right ways, I am living with clarity and purpose. That's the right affirmation. Mistake number 2 ना करिए. Mistake number 3 क्या है? Focusing on what you want and what you don't want. See, most people start to focus on things what they don't want. They use words like, I want to be debt free. I want not to be broke. I don't want to be sick. That's a wrong thing because your subconscious mind does not understand what is wrong. It will just focus on what is there it is. तो कोई भी negative word आपके affirmation में नहीं होना चाहिए. One classic mistake which I've seen all my mentees do before joining Think and Grow Rich is they say, I want to be debt free. मुझे कर्ज मुक्ति चाहिए. Understand this. Debt free में भी word debt is hidden. कर्ज मुक्ति में कर्जा छुपा हुआ है. So if you are using the word debt free in your affirmation, it is not going to work for you. you're going to attract more debt in your life. Do not make that mistake. Let's say we focus on earning an X amount of money. Instead of saying I want to be debt free, let's say if you've got a debt of 50 lakhs and you want to earn, let's say, 1 crore. So instead of focusing on I'll be completely out of debt of 50 lakhs, you focus on I want to earn 1 crore, and automatically your 50 lakhs debt is taken care of. So do not make this mistake. Always focus on what you want in your life. Do not focus on what you don't want. I'll give you a classic example. Have you seen someone who's very cautious and saying that, okay, I'm getting a tray of glasses and it should not fall, it should not fall, it should not fall. और वो अचानक से गिरता है. क्यों होता है ऐसा? Because your thought is actually not to make it fall, and it actually falls. So focus on what you want in your life. Do not focus on what you don't want, and see how beautifully your affirmation is going to work for you. Mistake number 4. Don't make this mistake. Do not make your affirmations long and boring. Yeah. Affirmations को short, sweet, crisp रखिए, because the job of the affirmation is to impact your subconscious mind. And if you have long affirmations, there is no emotional connection. Keep it tight, sharp, short, and really start to hit your subconscious mind. A simple affirmation could be, I am confident, I am rich, I am healthy. That's where it really starts to get inside. If you have long, boring affirmations, you're not getting that repetition to hit your subconscious mind, and you will never change your limiting beliefs. That old pattern is never going to be distorted. So keep your affirmation short and crisp, and that's where you really start to avoid this mistake of long, boring affirmations. You see, some people, when they want to write affirmations, they feel, oh, I want everything in this world. So सब कुछ मैं affirmation में डाल दूँ ना. मत करिए mistake. Really focus on what you want, what you get really connected to, and keep it short and crisp so that you can really start to get the results on a fast track basis by reprogramming your subconscious mind. That's mistake number 4. Do not have long, boring affirmations. Mistake number 5. Being too vague. No, your affirmation should be really specific, and especially when it comes to money in the bank. Most people have this feeling, oh, I want to be very rich. I want to be very, very super rich. I want more money in the bank. Well, that's too vague. You got to be very specific that that's the exact amount of money which I want to earn, and that's where you avoid this mistake of having your affirmations too vague. So really lock in कि कितना पैसा कमाना है. What will be that figure which is good enough for you for your financial freedom? For some people it's 50 crores, some people it's 100 crores. For 5 crores is also is good enough for some people. आपके लिए कितना enough है, and really start to focus on being specific rather than having some vague affirmations. Oh, I want to become a millionaire. Oh, I want more money. That's not going to work for you. So avoid this mistake. Do not have your affirmations being too vague, and that's where you can start to make your affirmations work for you. Mistake number 6 is no action words. No, so if you are not having an affirmation with some action words, it's a big mistake. An affirmation, when you start to repeat again and again, वो आपके conscious subconscious mind को reprogram करता है, और तभी आपकी body actions लेगी. And if you don't take actions to your body, no amount of affirmations are going to work for you. तो अगर आप action words डालते हो, or the best way to put your action word is having a verb ending with ing. For example, I am achieving, I am getting, I am enjoying, I am liberating. So when you end a word with a verb with ing, automatically आपका affirmation action word में बन जाएगा, and that's where you start to take massive actions. See, no amount of affirmations will work for you if you don't take actions. इसीलिए बहुत important है कि आपके affirmations में action words रखना बहुत जरूरी है. It starts to create the momentum. It's बहुत simple है. You don't need to be a very फ्लावरी इंग्लिश की जरूरत नहीं है. जो भी आप वर्ब डाल रहे हो उसको आप ing से एंड कर दीजिए. सो सक्सेसफुल के बदले सक्सेसफुली अचीविंग, अचीव के बदले अचीविंग लिख दीजिए. आई मीन एंजॉय के बदले एंजॉयिंग कर दीजिए. ड्राइव के बदले ड्राइविंग कर दीजिए. दैट्स वेयर यू रियली स्टार्ट टू गेट दैट एक्शन वर्ड वर्किंग फॉर यू. सो डू नॉट मेक दिस मिस्टेक. नो एक्शन वर्ड्स इज द बिगेस्ट मिस्टेक व्हाई पीपल keep on doing affirmations but they don't take actions because the body is not having any actionable word to get the actions taken. That's mistake number 6. Mistake number 7. No emotion. कोई इमोशन रखा ही नहीं affirmation में. अरे भाई, affirmation कर क्यों रहे हो? ताकि आपके सबकॉन्शियस माइंड को रिप्रोग्राम करना है. और सबकॉन्शियस माइंड कौन सी भाषा समझता है? Only one language, which is of emotions. तो अगर आप बार 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 रिपीटिंग कर रहे हो एफर्मेशंस, ये मोटिवेशन कर रहे हो, यूट्यूब सुन रहे हो, जा रहे हो, कुछ नहीं होने वाला जब तक आप अपने आप को इमोशनली ट्रिगर नहीं करेंगे. सो इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कि आपको आपके इमोशंस जो ट्रिगर कर रहे हैं उसको आप आपके एफर्मेशन में डालिए. रियली पुट दोस वर्ड्स व्हिच रियली ट्रिगर दैट इमोशंस. मे बी सम पॉजिटिव इमोशंस लाइक लव, जॉय, हैप्पीनेस, gratitude, ऐसे वर्ड्स डालिए. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अ क्लासिक वे ऑफ हाउ वी डिजाइन योर गोल स्टेटमेंट इन थिंक एंड ग्रो रिच मास्टरमाइंड इज, आई एम सो हैप्पी एंड ग्रेटफुल नाउ दैट, वाओ, हैप्पीनेस इज अ वंडरफुल इमोशन, ग्रैटिट्यूड इज अ वंडरफुल इमोशन. आपकी फ्रीक्वेंसी और वाइब्रेशन को ऊपर लेके जाता है. तो ऐसे इमोशंस को यूज करिए. अदरवाइज वो एफर्मेशंस कोई काम के नहीं, बिकॉज वो सिर्फ आपके कॉन्शियस माइंड में रहेंगे और आपके सबकॉन्शियस को कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा. एफर्मेशंस कुछ काम करेंगे नहीं आपके लिए. सो मिस्टेक इज do not having an emotional word. So put an emotional word in your affirmation right now and see how you can really start to get that emotional trigger of your subconscious, and that's where the affirmation is going to work for you. Mistake number 8 is trying to control others with affirmation. कभी काम नहीं करेंगे. See, affirmation is your affirming your own self. Affirmations work on you. They might work on others, but if it is done in the right framework, which is an advanced level of teaching, where how you can get affirmations work for you. क्लासिक एग्जाम्पल देता हूं थिंक एंड ग्रो रिच में, वेयर इन द फर्स्ट चैप्टर ऑफ थिंक एंड ग्रो रिच, डिजायर चैप्टर में, द ऑथर ऑफ थिंक एंड ग्रो रिच, नेपोलियन हिल, वाज वांटिंग टू मेक हिज सन लिसन टू नॉर्मल हियरिंग. उनके पैदा हुए थे, कान ही नहीं थे, एंड ही सेड नो, आई एम गोइंग टू गेट दिस माय चाइल्ड टू लिसन नॉर्मली. तो उन्होंने क्या किया, उन्होंने प्रोग्रामिंग किया और एफर्मेशन ऐसे बनाए ताकि उनके बच्चे में भी वो एफर्मेशंस दिए. एंड दैट्स वेयर एट द एज ऑफ 18 ब्लेयर हिल had a normal hearing capacity. तो इसका मैंने अलग से वीडियो भी बनाया है कि how you can develop the burning desire, but at this moment पहले स्टार्ट करिए कि affirmations मैं मेरे लिए बनाऊंगा. एक बेस लेवल आप सीखिए, affirmations आपके लिए काम कर रहे हैं, then we can go to the advanced stage where you can have the affirmations to work for your family members, for your aging parents, for your kids, for maybe your boss, your colleague, but you cannot play in somebody else's mind. लेकिन थोड़ा एडवांस्ड है, तो स्टार्टिंग में आप शुरुआत करिए कि मैं अपने आप पे काम करूंगा, not to make a mistake of trying to control others. Oh, I will affirm that मेरे बॉस मुझे सैलरी रेज देंगे. ऐसा नहीं होता. Oh, I will affirm that my wife, my spouse will change. वो ऐसा नहीं होता. You got to affirm on your own self, and that is where you will avoid this mistake of trying to control others. Mistake number 9 is sometimes the affirmations have to end by or something better, and this is avoided, and that's the biggest mistake. I'll explain to you over here. For example, let's say you are looking out for a job, and you have your own choice of what is my dream job. Or maybe let's say you're looking out for a life partner and you have one choice for yourself, but who knows that the universe has given something better for you. For example, you have a kind of a goal to buy a dream home or a dream car. So you put that in your affirmation to make it specific, but who knows there is a better home there for you which you deserve, and maybe you're not attracting it because you have not put that in your affirmation. तो कैसे इसको अवॉइड करें मिस्टेक को? सो व्हेन यू आर राइटिंग योर एफर्मेशन, योर गोल स्टेटमेंट, लेट्स से आई एम अट्रैक्टिंग माय ड्रीम जॉब इन दिस पर्टिकुलर कंपनी बाय दिस पर्टिकुलर डेट, यू कैन से और इवन समथिंग बेटर, और समथिंग बेटर, ऐसा आप ऐड कर सकते हो इन योर एफर्मेशन. That's going to get you not only the dream job, but also something better which the universe has planned for you, but maybe with your limited wisdom, you don't get that particular insight. तो शायद से कभी आप यू नॉट क्लियर कि एग्जैक्टली मुझे क्या चाहिए लाइफ में, यू कैन ऐड दिस वर्ड एंड समथिंग बेटर और समथिंग बेटर, दैट्स गोइंग टू गेट यू समथिंग व्हिच इज रियली क्लोज टू योर हार्ट एंड व्हिच द यूनिवर्स थिंक्स इज वर्किंग फॉर यू. सो यूज दिस पर्टिकुलर टेक्निक. अवॉइड being very too specific when you're not sure about what you want in your life, and you'll avoid this particular mistake. These 9 mistakes block more dreams than you can imagine, but now you have the awareness to change everything. Which mistakes were you making the most? Comment in the comment box and tell me exactly what kind of videos which you want to learn, which I can give you my insights after coaching thousands of mentees in Think and Grow Rich, so I can help you and guide you to move you forward and get that success, the wealth, the happiness. And of course, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this particular channel, because together we can truly start to think and grow rich. Let's get ready to think and grow rich. And I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.